Hi guys, welcome back to Who's Kitchen. My name is Yongxin Hu. In this video, you are about to learn how to make one of the most popular side dishes in UK, also my most favorite dish, egg fried rice. In Chinese, we call it 黄金蛋炒饭. It's easy, it's simple, full of flavor. Most importantly, it's absolutely delicious. Last week, after we released the spicy aubergine recipe, lots of you guys messaged me and asked me, "Oh, Yongxin, what shall I eat with the spicy aubergine?" I think this kind of question I will get asked a lot in the future cooking for sure. So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make this homemade egg fried rice. If you haven't watched my last YouTube video yet, I have linked the video up here. Make sure you click the button and view my spicy aubergine recipe. Before we start cooking today, make sure you subscribe to my channel already and hit that bell for notification, so every single Friday morning when I upload a new video, you will be the first person to know that. At the end of this video, if you really enjoy it or if you tried it, if you really like it, make sure you give my video a like as well. Now, let's get the dish started. For this dish, you will need 500 grams rice, 1 spring onion, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons cooking alcohol, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt. First of all, cooking the rice. So, I cooked my rice in my rice cooker because in this way you can keep the rice dry. Once the rice has been cooked, leave them on the side to cool. Please make sure your rice is definitely cool enough, otherwise you will end up with scrambled egg and the rice. That's definitely not what we want for this dish. Beat the eggs in the bowl and mix with the rice in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Basically, the oil in this step will make the mixing progress much easier. And most importantly, when we fry them in the pan later on, the mixture won't stick to the pan at all. Make sure your rice all covered in eggs. Then warm a pan up, add 2 tablespoons of oil, chopped spring onion, fry for 2 minutes. Then add the rice into the frying pan, keep stirring it for about 5 minutes until the egg starts to pop on the rice. Then add cooking alcohol, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and salt. Mix the rice and the sauce, stirring for another 5 minutes roughly. Serving with any Chinese dish, for example black bean sauce, sweet chili sauce. Tonight, we're going to serving our egg fried rice with vegetable in sweet and sour sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I reply to all of my comments. Or you can send me a message through social media. I have a Facebook page, Twitter or Instagram. The username is all the same, Who's Kitchen Official. If you ever tried my recipe, really enjoyed it, want to share with your family or friends, make sure when you post a photo, hashtag Who's Kitchen Official. I will see you guys next week with another delicious dish. Bye guys!